There's no doubt that Amazon is the #1 e-commerce platform selling thousands of physical and digital products. If you have a desire to make money on Amazon, in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 profitable ways that you can make money on Amazon. Now, before we dive into this video, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so once I upload other videos, you will be notified. Now let's dive right in. In order to get started selling on Amazon, you first need to go to Amazon Central Seller where you'll be able to open a seller's account. Now they do have a subscription fee of $39 per month in order to sell on the platform. However, once you're on the page, you'll be able to navigate through the sign up process. They'll require your personal information, your billing address, your tax information, and also a form of verification. Their verification process takes a little time, so I highly recommend that you look for different tools that you can use to ramp up your business once you are approved on the platform. Let's dive into the first way to make money on Amazon, and that's through retail arbitrage. Now, if you live in an area where you can find deals at a discounted rate, you can resell those products on Amazon. You can find some of the best deals in places like Walmart or Target for $5 and resell those items for $20 on Amazon. How it works is that using a tool like Seller Amp will allow you to use its integrated barcode reader to help you scan products that are similar to the ones on Amazon. It provides you with a product analysis where you can analyze if the product is profitable, compare it to what others are selling it for, and how much are being sold on a monthly basis. While you may need to visit these stores continuously to find deals, retail arbitrage is one of the simplest ways to make money on Amazon because you're already selling items that you know are profitable. The second way to make money on Amazon is by using the Amazon native shopping ads, which allows you to place codes in your website or blog. And once someone goes to your website, they will be able to see different Amazon ads. Now, in order to get started with this, you have to go to Amazon Associates and sign up for their affiliate program. Within that option, you'll be able to generate an API code that you will place on your website. And once someone goes there and click on any one of your Amazon links and it takes them to Amazon, once they make a purchase, you will be able to get commissions from that purchase. In order to be qualified to generate an API code, you will need to have at least 3 sales done on Amazon Associates within the last 6 months. You will also need to have an approved Amazon Associate account and agree to their terms. Now, if you don't have any of these requirements, go to the site Stripe after you have signed up for the Amazon Associate, and you can individually place these links on a product. So for example, if we go on this website that shares 18 personal growth books to read in 2024, and if we scroll down, we see that these books right here, Atomic Habits, they have a link for you to purchase it on Amazon. Each one of them that are listed on this website, there is a link at the bottom that takes you to Amazon, and these are their affiliate links. So this is one way you can actually do it in the event that you are not approved for the Amazon native shopping ads. The third way you can make money on Amazon is if you have a large following on social media, you can join their influencer program. Now, the influencer program does require that you have a certain amount of followers on social media in order to be qualified. So the more followers you have on your social media platform, that is how Amazon determine if they will approve your request. Now, as an influencer, once someone actually clicks on your link or your storefront, you will get paid for any of the purchases that they make. In addition to Amazon Influencer, there is another way that you can make money from the Creators University, and that is through earning when someone signs up for their Prime membership, for example. So if you have a following that loves to shop on Amazon, you can introduce them to sign up for Prime subscriptions. Now, in order to access this, I'm going to also leave the link to all of these in my description below. But how you will get to this website is once you go on to Creator University, you will see right here that you can get paid to drive sign-ups for Amazon subscription programs, and it gives you some information down here in terms of how it works. So you could share your favorite things about Amazon subscriptions. And there are over 40 subscriptions and registry programs, including Prime, Prime Videos, Audible, Baby Registry, Wedding Registry, and more. So there's a lot of opportunities when it comes on to making money using the sign up subscription method. If you are an influencer that's pregnant or you have a baby registry that you're about to put out, you can invite people to sign up for that subscription. If you're a person that talks about a lot of mindfulness, motivation, reading of books, and stuff like that, you can invite your followers to sign up for their Audible, their Kindle, and their Prime membership. If you don't have time to go into store, if you don't own a website or blog, or if you are not an influencer, then Amazon KDP would be the best option for you. With Amazon KDP, you will be able to upload low content information and get paid once someone makes a purchase. Now, in order to get started, you're going to go to kdp.amazon.com, create an account. Once you create an account, you'll be able to create and publish your Kindle books. Once you have created your cover, you're going to go back to kdp.amazon.com and you're going to create a low content book. You can choose the option for paperback that will allow you to upload your low content information. Amazon does everything after that once you have filled in all the required information for your book. Those were the 5 ways you can make money on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so once I upload other videos, you'll be notified. And I'll see you in my next video.